Hi everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Guzila mini PC with Intel Celeron processor. So we're going to go ahead and take everything out of the box. So right there is the mini PC packed in this plastic bag. So we're going to take it out and here's what it looks like. A very sleek design. I love the finish on this and I like the boxy look that it has. So we're just going to go ahead and take everything else that comes with the mini PC, any user manuals, warranty cards, and right here in this box we have the power adapter, and then it also comes with an extra USB cable as well. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the mini PC itself. It has an Intel Celeron J3455 processor. It also has Intel HD Graphics 500 with a pre-installed Windows 10 and a dual band Wi-Fi. Then you also have the mic port, Ethernet port, HDMI 1, 2, a USB 2.0 port, and the power supply obviously. Then you also have a USB 3 port, and it also has extra USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 ports. You can also insert a flash drive or a memory card into the mini PC as well. Then we're going to go ahead and plug it in, turn it on, connect any peripherals that we need to connect to it, and see what it looks like. So we're just connecting all the cords here. And this is the normal setup that you're gonna get with Windows 10. So nothing out of the ordinary here. Everything's pretty standard. We're entering our Wi-Fi information and making sure it's well connected and whatnot. So here's just a video display test. This video is in 4K. We're playing two side by side and there's no lag. Everything is running very smooth. The colors are bright and I don't see any problems with buffering or just lags in general. So that looks pretty good despite using dual monitors. Next up, we connected it to the TV and we're just playing something on Netflix and absolutely no lags there either, no buffering. Everything is running pretty smooth and it looks pretty clean as well. I honestly can't even tell that I don't have it up on my TV and I have a mini PC connected to it. So in terms of the display and video quality, everything is amazing. This is something that I did not know I need, but I'm definitely hooked.